Did you know that Pokhara has been declared as the tourism capital of Nepal? Various structures have been built here to attract tourists, and many are in the process of being built. Pokhara itself is also a tourist destination in its own right. The second tallest Shiva statue in Nepal was completed in Pokhara's Pumdi Bhundi VDC recently. Since it was built in Pumdi Bhundi VDC, it is called Pumdikot Mahadev. The statue of Kailashnath Mahadev in Bhaktapur is the tallest Shiva statue in Nepal. It is the tallest statue of Lord Shiva in the world so far. It is 143 feet tall. Located on a hill in Pokhara, Kaski district of Nepal at an altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level, Pumdikot Mahadev is 51 feet tall. It sits on a 3-story white stupa that adds 57 feet to the height, making the entire structure 108 feet tall. This Shiva statue was built in Mathura, India and brought to Nepal and installed. The idol complex has 108 Shiva lingas on 2 floors. That is, there are a total of 216 Shiva lingas, which surround the idol at the base. The Damru of Lord Shiva is 31 feet high, which is the largest in Asia. The idol of Shiva can be seen facing the southwest direction, as Lord Shiva is believed to always face Mount Kailash. The construction of the idol has promoted the place as a religious tourist destination. Not only tourist, but Pumdikot has historical and cultural importance. In ancient times, there was a temple of Bhumeshwar Mahadev on the hill. It was considered a Shakti Peeth, and it is believed that the wishes of farmers would be fulfilled here. Also, during the Baise and Shobais kingdoms, the Pumdikot hill was used by the Shah kings as a fortress in an important battle. Before the Baise and Shobais kingdoms were divided small kingdoms within Nepal before Nepal was unified into one country. Also, it is believed that the Shah kings used to pray for strength on the hill before going to war with the Nuwakot kings. The Shah kings considered this area as a Shakti Peeth and would pray here before battles for victory over their enemies. In ancient times, the hill had a temple dedicated to Bhumeshwar Mahadev, known as Shakti Peeth. It is considered a powerful center of spiritual energy where the wishes of farmers are fulfilled. The area is crowded and festive during Haritalika Teej. The locals believe that observing the fast of Haritalika Teej and visiting Bhumeshwar Mahadev on the same day will fulfill your wishes. From here, you can see panoramic views of Pokhara Valley, Feva Lake, paragliding, Pem, green hills to the south and west, Thaple Lake, Panchase, hot air balloon rides, ultralight flights and tourist destinations including Sarangkot. The Himalayas and the Vishwa Shanti Pagoda can also be seen from this place. Vishwa Shanti Stupa is just 3 to 4 kilometers away from here. Various peaks like Annapurna, Machapuchre, Nilgiri, Dhaulagiri, Manaslu etc. can be clearly seen from this place. Also, there is a model of Mount Sumeru, which is home to the shrines of Parvati and Shiva, a martyr's memorial, and a small statue of Lord Ganesha located in front of the dome. The temple welcomes Nepali and foreign visitors without any fee. This destination is open daily from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Just a short walk away is a park with statues of Durga, the goddess of strength and protection, and Kumar, the god of war. Adjacent to the park is Pokhara Dream City. I am also making a video about that dream city soon, so don't forget to watch it, where you can enjoy it to the fullest for just 250 rupees.
बाजे यो कसरी मानव कसरी नि हो गोटाको हजुर
1000 रुपैयाँ मानाको
धेरै सस्तो रहेछ है 138 छ त्यसको खर्च
होइन यसमा रस मात्रै हाल्ने कि यो खानेकुरा पनि हाल्ने
यो कसरी रस बन्यो त यो
यसलाई 5 वर्षसम्म तोरीको तेलमा भिजाउने अनि पकाउने 5 वर्ष यो दाउराको यस्ता चाहिने आउनु पर्यो
मोमोले पिछोड हो गणना बेउ
टङ्क हिमाली मालिस तेल उद्योग
दिनु न सर राख्नु अहिले माथि फर्केर
पहिला हामी फर्केर
कोही सेन्टहरू
काका लाउने
यो दुखेको ठाउँ
कुन बासना हो यो
दुईटा हात रगेटेर यसरी मिचेर
अनि जता
ल मिस्नु हामी एउटा स्थानीय घुमेर आउँछ है
यस्तो
असर देख्यो भने फर्कौँला यही बाटो हो छैन
तलले छ
गन्ने चाहिलो जो खा
नेपालमा निर्माण कार्यका लागि जान
भिडियो पुरा हेरिदिनु भएकोमा धन्यवाद।